In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed moving images and audio in Miro, turning your board into a dynamic and engaging space. Miro is a fantastic online collaborative whiteboard platform used for team collaboration, and today I'm going to guide you step by step to enhance your boards with multimedia elements. To get started, open your browser and navigate to miro.com. Miro's interface is designed for easy access and user-friendly navigation, and you'll find that logging in is a breeze. Simply click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Here you have the option to sign in using your email, or if you prefer, your Google account for added convenience. Signing in with Google is often a quicker route if you already have Google credentials, but both methods are equally secure and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Miro dashboard. This is where all of your boards are organized. Click on the board where you want to embed your media. With your board open, you'll now want to add a GIF, those captivating moving images that bring life to your boards. Start by finding the GIF you'd like to embed. You can get this GIF from your favorite website or a personal collection. Once you've located your chosen GIF, copy its link. Now head back to your Miro board and paste that link directly onto the board. You'll see the GIF appear ready to engage your team. Next, let's add a musical or audio element. Much like with your GIF, you'll need to first locate the audio or song link. Whether it's from a streaming service or another source, copy the link of the audio file. Return to your board, and just like you did with your GIF, paste the audio link. Miro will embed it into the board, allowing you to play it directly from there. What's more, Miro also supports embedding YouTube links. This is particularly useful if you have a video that complements your presentation or brainstorming session. Simply copy the URL of the YouTube video you wish to include and paste it onto your Miro board just like you did with the GIF and audio links. Miro will automatically integrate the video ready to play when you need it, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can transform your Miro board into a multimedia experience, enhancing engagement and interactivity. Whether it's through the use of animated images, music, or videos, your board can now host a variety of content types to better communicate your ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy Miroing.